Bootcamp. Known as one of the deadliest places to go throughout all of Pubg, where most fail and few succeed. Today, 50 will attempt to enter Bootcamp alone, going against all odds to become the victor of the most dangerous, fatal, malevolent,
Whoa, D! You're getting carried away. We can't allow these nice people to think this is our first time going to boot camp. There were so many attempts.
Oh, you see, I thought we were going to make them believe you're actually good.
Hey. I am good, okay?
Uh-huh.
Wait, I am.
Okay, right. Gotcha.
Oh, screw it. Roll the fells. Whoa. He's cheating. He has to be cheating. He's cheating. He was so camping, dude. Alright, D. I think it's time to get serious.
All right, let's do it.
Alright. We all know I'm going to boot camp. But the question is, am I going to make it out alive? That is the question. Hopefully I can make it down before everyone else. Oh, I see a guy right there. Alright, one down. There goes the second. Oh, I got him. I think this is the last guy. I don't know where he's at though. He has to be in one of these two buildings. Really? Where is he? I can't see him. He has to be somewhere over here. What?
"50 dies from a player looking into Bootcamp from the hilltop. He may have lost the battle, but not the war, and swears he will be back for his redemption. Until next time."